So it's about 45 degrees and thought I'd go over some of my shit. I got this 85 one ton that we did a video of before, and not a bad truck, but still really ain't nothing too special yet. Still want to do some work to it. I'm gonna take another cab and do it all up because it's my daily driver, and I'm gonna do the cab all up first and then switch it over. But it doesn't look bad, you know, you got rockers, but then you look under here at the aftermarket work. Good frame. Got some lengthened shackles. Not bad. Greasable. I grease my stuff every day. You know. We got a body kit, a main body kit for the winter time. We got a nice drag slick here on one side, and an inner tire that doesn't hold air, that has plenty of tread. And we got a back body made from a porch. And we also have a Dr. Pepper box and clutch for top shaft fork for a John Deere 440 skidder. And yeah, you can tell I work out of this thing. I live in just a trailer park. Oh, we got a Impala that I stopped running after I just paid off. But here's another project. I'm gonna make something cool out of this rig, and I'm thinking about putting a 2-cylinder Caterpillar that I know of that used to be an auxiliary engine for a sleeper cab on a big rig. Let's see what we do here. This is a Rancher 350 Honda, and it's got a good front and rear diff. So let's see what we do. Nice, well taken care of winch. And yeah, I got a couple projects. I also got to do some work on my skidder soon again. I've had the transmission out of it 3 times, but we'll do another fire up. I've tuned it up a little bit, and she's quite the loyal. And she just hums right along. Oh yeah, she doesn't even stall a bit. But yeah, she's got a Edelbrock. She's a little cold-blooded. Don't use my choke. But yeah, I know some square body lovers might hate me because I cut my original radio out, but it didn't work that great, the original one, and I got sick of messing with it. So for $30 I just put this one in. But yeah, Not really much going on. I'm a poor man. Work all the time. See what happens though. I plan on restoring a cab, painting it inside out, and buying all new weather stripping, because you know, who really likes nasty weather stripping? And these trucks are getting a little harder to find, so might as well build one while I still got one that I run. I'm debating on whether to put a big block or a 12 valve Cummins. Feel free to share your opinions with me. But this is the original 350 to the truck. Used to be a dump truck, but somebody did the dump body on it, and if I had to guess, up here in Maine with salt on our roads, it probably rotted out. But I'm thinking about a 454 NV 4500 is what I'd like to put in it. I'd like to redo a cab, and I've got a dually back body over at my buddy's house that I want to put on it as well. Look a little more nice. And anyways, a little bit of stuff going on, but real life gets in the way, and that's just how it goes. But have a good one.